In primetime news this evening, confidence in the Integrity Commission low. The latest findings in the RGR Glenadon Anderson polls. PNP releases manifesto. And no fighting, more calls for end to political violence. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the plans outlined by the People's National Party in its manifesto?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.